Good day, parents. I'm teacher Matabo. For today's lesson, we'll be learning the sound. Now, in Sesotho, remember this letter makes the sound and this letter makes the sound Now, a word that has the sound, we have tafole, the sound t. And a word that has the sound lamudu, right? So when we take these two sounds and we put them together, they make the sound. Now, example of words that have this sound t. We have mata, mata. And another example, ama. And the last example, mukota. Mukota. So every time when you see these two letters together, then just remember they make the sound t. Thank you very much.